Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. This is a new playlist of visualizations. In the previous tutorial guys, we have learnt about stacked column chart. And now in today's class guys, we will also talk about new visual of Power BI, which name is clustered bar chart. And now we will learn how we can use this visual effectively in Power BI report. So firstly I will give you brief about this clustered bar chart. So clustered bar chart guys, also known as grouped bar chart. Under this bar chart guys, we guys can easily see that under one group guys we have multiple bars. So this chart is great for displaying and comparing multiple sets of data over the same categories like sales, revenue of various departments of the company over several years. So let's start the class guys. So let's move towards the data set first. So I will create this bar graph chart guys on the basis of regions, products and sales. And now let's go to the practical page. So firstly I will go here and double click on clustered bar chart. And let me expand this visual. And here guys, you guys can see we have same parameters like x-axis, y-axis, legends, small multiples and tooltips, which is exactly same to the previous charts. So now I will expand this sales table. And under y-axis guys, I will take regions. And under x-axis guys, I will take measurable value, which is sales, or you guys can take any measurable value. So I will take sales only. And under legend section guys, I will take products. So here we guys can see our graph is ready with regions, product and sales. And now let me increase the size of the values. So firstly let me increase the size of this legend. And now I will increase the size of x-axis and y-axis. So with the help of clustered bar chart guys, we guys can easily compare the sales in a group. Let's say in a west region guys, we have sold out bread which reflect in sky blue color, and we also sold out butter which representing dark blue color, and this orange color represent cake and this purple color represent milk. So in west region guys, we have sold out these four products. If you talk about this east region guys, we have sold only bread as well as this milk. So this chart is really useful guys when we comparing the sales of small data set. Here small data set means we have just only 4 regions here, which is west, east, north, south. If you go to the data set guys, under product column we have just only limited products like bread, butter, cake and milk. And let's suppose guys, now let me change the parameter from here. Instead of region guys, I will take it here customer name. So here we guys can see we can also compare the sale with customer and products. But this graph is not looks good when we have multiple values. So when we have a limited value under the columns, at that time guys, this graph is really useful. So let me remove customer name from here, and again I will drag and drop this regions here. And let's suppose guys, if you want to see the country wise product sale, so you simply need to remove this regions from here and drag and drop this country here. So here we guys can see it displaying the result in clusters, which is group. We have multiple bars in a group. In China we have sold 4 products, which is bread, butter, cake and milk. And now let's talk about some other formatting part. And let's suppose guys, if I hover my mouse here under this bar, then we can only able to see the actual figure, which is 85500. And let's suppose guys, if you want to see the same figure without hovering the mouse. So under Power BI guys, in format section, we have an option of data labels. You guys can simply turn on this data labels. So once you turn on this data label guys, so here you guys can see in each and every bar, we guys can display the actual figures. So if I expand this data label guys, and from here guys, you can also change the formatting. You can change the color of your data labels, let's say blue. And from here guys, you can also change your size settings. And from here guys, you can also change the font style. And here we have one more option, which is background. If you want to change the background of your data label, so you guys can also change the color from here. So this time background color is blue. Let's say I will take it as black. And if you want to turn off the background of your data labels guys, so you simply need to turn off this toggle button. So you guys can explore more about the formatting part. And with the help of this series guys, we will also learn some new formatting things in Power BI visuals. So I hope guys, now you have definitely enjoyed this video and learned more about the Power BI visuals. So for such kind of learning, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And we also have separate playlist guys. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can easily learn DAX functions from scratch. And we have other playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you will get to see only latest Power BI updates. And those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, and you will also find some latest interview questions and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for you interviews rounds, as well as some advanced scenarios which recently asked by an interviewer. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.